Hi guys! Hello po. Please enjoy and relax. Yun lang. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Jane. And of course, let's welcome producer and actor, the king of the hill, Enrique Hill! Hi guys! Thank you, maraming salamat po, nakapunta po kayo lahat. And sana po mag-enjoy kayo. And yun lang, ingat! Ingat! Always be rolling! Friends, sila po ang 7 matapang who dared to enter the most haunted place in Asia. Kung ano po ang nangyari sa loob ng Singlin Hospital, yan po ang tututukan natin at papanoorin natin ngayong gabi. Enrique, do the honors to invite our guest. Yes. December 25. Yes po, sana po imbitahan po natin lahat ng mga barkada natin kung may mga ka-date kayo. Alam niyo na yan. Sa December 25 po, sana po sama-sama po tayong manood ng Strange Frequencies. At hindi lang po yung pelikula namin, sana po lahat ng pelikulang Pilipino po ay supportahan po natin. Maraming salamat po. I love you guys and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much. From here, we'd like to request everybody to please stand up for the Philippine National Anthem.